from Adi Sharma, class 7, chapter number 7, that is algebraic expression. In that first topic, that is algebraic expression. First we will see what is algebraic expression. So the definition of algebraic expression, a combination of constant and variable connected by the sign of fundamental operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division is called an algebraic expression. So it is a combination of constant and variable, the sign of a fundamental operation, that is addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. So if I am taking here 3x plus 2 minus y, so this is called an expression. Without equal to this is without equal to that is called an expression. Now what is called term? Term in this expression, what is called term? So 3x is term, 2y is also term, minus 1 is also a term. Now so many types of algebraic expressions are there. So here it is. See, types of algebraic expression. So first it is monomial. Monomial means only one term contain. Okay, so one term contain means here it is, for example, 3, 2x, 5x square, x square y, minus 6ab, c, 3 by 2a, b square, c square are all monomial. Now if you are given your expression in this form 2xy, so this is called monomial, only one term contain. Binomial means two term contain. So if we write here example, that is 2x plus 2y, so this is binomial equation, binomial expression. So this is called binomial expression, only two term contain. Trinomial means three term contain. So three terms means 3x plus 4y plus 1. So this is called trinomial. Three terms because here 3x is 1, 4y is 2 and plus 1 is another one. So they are contain three terms. Okay. Then quadrinomial means an algebraic expression containing four terms. Four terms it will contain, then it is called quadrinomial. So if we write x square plus y square plus 2xy plus 3y. Okay, this is called a quadrinomial. If four contain quadrinomial, if one term then monomial, if two term then binomial, three term means trinomial and four term means quadrinomial. When what is called polynomial? Polynomial means an algebraic expression containing two or more terms is called an polynomial. Now if we contain algebraic expression contain two or more terms, then it is called polynomial. Okay, if two or more terms, then we can call them a polynomial. Now one example is there. Now here we have to write the terms. So which are the terms in this expression? So first the expression we had given, that is 2xy plus 7y plus 8x plus 1. So terms are 2xy, 7y, 8x, 1. These are the terms. Now coefficient here is, now coefficient of xy is 2, only numerical coefficient. Okay, so 7y is 7, 8x is 8 and coefficient of 1 is 1. So in the numerical form, whichever the numerical number, that are coefficient. Okay, so in this first term we have to coefficient is 2, in second coefficient is 7, in 8x coefficient is 8 and in 1 1. Now constant term means without variable. Without variable are called constant term. Here in this expression, which is the constant term? 1. So 1 is the constant term of this expression. If I am giving the another expression 2xy plus 7, so which is the constant term here? Only 7 is the constant term. Now this is the example 2xy, xy, 7x, 7xy, 4x, 7. Now like and unlike term. What is called like term? See, like term means if your variable is same, so if variable xy in here 7xy same variable, so 2xy and 7xy are like terms. Okay, if your variable is same, then you can say it is like terms. So 7x and 4x is also same, so 7x and 4x, this is also like term. And unlike term means different variable, such as here 7 is different variable, so 7 is alike term. Okay, if your term is a different variable, then you can say it is unlike term. Question number 1. In exercise 7.1, identify the monomial, binomial, trinomial and quadrinomial from the following expression. So we have given the expression. We have to say that it is a monomial, binomial, trinomial and quadrinomial. So monomial means one term, binomial means two term, trinomial means three term, quadrinomial means four term. So first here only we will write, here first one a square is there, only one term, so monomial. A square minus b square, so two term it is a square and b square, so binomial I am writing b only. And here 3 square plus y square plus z square means 3 term, 1, 2 and 3, so it is trinomial, right? Fourth one, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube plus 3xyz, so how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4, so that is quadrinomial. Okay, now in fifth one we had given two like terms, because constant term we can plus it, so 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, so 12, only one term it is there, so what it is? Monomial. A, B, E, C plus 1, so that is binomial, two term. Here also the same thing as this fifth one. See, 3x minus 2 plus 5, 2 constant term it is there, so we can plus minus it. So what is our answer? 3x minus 2 plus 5, that is plus 3, so plus 3, so what is the answer? 2 term it is there, so it is binomial. Here 2x minus 3y plus 4, that is trinomial. xy plus yz plus zx, that is trinomial. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, that is quadrinomial. Now question number 2, write all the term of each of the following algebraic expression. Now we have to just write all term, only term we have to write. So for the 3x, which is the term? Only 3x. Now for the 2x minus 3, which is the term? That is 2x comma minus 3, because minus we have to take, always take the minus with minus 3. Okay, if your minus is here, you have to take with any number. Now here how many terms? 2 terms, that is 2x square and 7. Now here 2x square plus y square minus 3xy plus 4. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which are they? That is 2x square comma y square comma 3xy comma 4. Here minus 3xy, because we have to take minus. Okay, and 4. So 4 terms are there. Question number 3, identify the like terms and also mention the numerical coefficient of those terms. First of all, what we have to write? Like terms. Okay, so whichever the coefficients whichever variables are same, that are called like terms. Here which variable are same? 4xy and minus 3xy, so like term is 4xy and minus 3yx, because both the constant variables are same. Now here what we have to write? Mention also the numerical coefficient of those terms. So just write the coefficient. Coefficient of first one is 4xy is 4, and for minus 3yx is minus 3. So these are the coefficient. Now for the second one, which are the like terms? First of all, we will write like terms. Okay, so a square bc minus 3c square b. So these two are same. So I am writing here a square bc and minus 3c a square b. Okay, these two are same. Now minus 5 upon 2 abc square, 3 upon 2 abc square. This is also same. See, two terms are same. Okay, so two variables are same, so that is also like terms. So let us write the exercise 7.2 question 3 we have done in a textbook, that is like term 4xy and minus 3yx, coefficient is 4 and minus 3. Now in second one, like term is 7 a square bc and minus 3c b square b a square b and minus 4 by 3 c b a square. These three are like term. And another one is also there, minus 5 by 2 a b c square and 3 by 2 a b c square. These two are another like term. So coefficient of these all are 7, minus 3, minus 4 by 3, another one is minus 5 by 2 and 3 by 2. Now let us do question number 4. In question number 4, identify the like term in the following algebraic expression, that is a square plus b square minus 2a square plus c square plus 4a. That is the question. Now we have to write in this, that is like term only. Okay, so whichever the variable are same, we'll write that. So which are they? A square and a square. So a square and minus 2 a square is like term in this. Now for the second one, 3x plus 4xy minus 2yz plus 5 by 2zy. Now which are the like terms here? First is 3x is not. Okay, here is this one minus 2yz and 5 by 2zy. These two are like term. Okay, now question 3, a plus b plus c a square c plus 2ab ac b square plus 3c square ab plus b square ac minus 2a square bc plus 3c ab square. Now which are the like term here? ABC alone, ABC are not there. Second, a b square c. So anywhere b square, this one. So we can write this a b square c, and this one is also there 2ac b square. Both are like term. This one is same, b square ac. This is also the same one, and this one last, and 3a b 3c a b square. So these three are the like terms. Okay, now let us do question number 5th. Question number 5th, in that what we have to do, write the coefficient of x in the following. Now instead here we have to find the coefficient only of x. So minus 12x is minus 12 is the coefficient. Here we have to find the coefficient of only x. So without x we have to write the numerical and y. Only we have to write minus 7y. Here also, here coefficient of x we have to find, so only yz. We have to leave x. Okay, here also minus 7a. Leave the x. Now question number 6. Write the coefficient of x square in the following. Now here we had asked x. Now you have to write for the x square in question 6. So for this minus 3 x square we have to leave. Here also 5 x square yz. So only 5 yz will come because we have to find x square coefficient. Here 5 by 7 z, and here only find the coefficient of x squared, so no need to write x, only for x square which is 3 by 2a. Okay, no need for writing for y square xy. Okay, now question number 7, we have to write the coefficient of y in minus 3y. Okay, the coefficient of y in minus 3y. Question is also given and we have to write the answer. So here coefficient of y in minus 3y is minus 3. A into ab is, we have to write only to b. We have to leave a. Now here z, so minus 7xy. For the p in minus 3 pqy, so minus 3 qi only. Y square is 9x y square z, so 9xz. X cube in x cube plus 1, so x cube here only 1. Okay, nothing means 1 and we don't have to write for the coefficient 1. So x square in minus x square, so minus 1 because here it is minus 1. Question number 9, write the numerical coefficient of each term in the following expression. Now we have to write only the coefficient of this equation. So which are the coefficient of the first one? First term is 4 minus 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2. These are the coefficient. Now here which are the coefficient? Minus 5 by 3 comma 7 by 4 comma and 3 is the coefficient. Question number 10, write the constant term of each of the following expression. Only we have to write the constant term. Now in this term which is the constant? Minus 3, so minus 3 is the constant term. Now here a cube minus 3 a square plus 7 a plus 5, that is 5. Without variable, that is called constant term. Okay, now question number 11, evaluate each of the following expression for x equal to minus 2, y equal to minus 1 and z equal to 3. Now here we have to just put up the value of x, y and z and find the value of this expression. So let us do that. X, instead of x we have to write minus 2, instead of y minus 1 plus y minus 1 upon z is 3 plus z is 3 and x is minus 2. So let us write minus minus cancels to 2 plus minus is minus 1 by 3 plus minus 2 3 by 2. Now we'll take out the LCM. Okay, here nothing means 1 multiply by 2 into 3 into 2 is 6, multiply by 2 and multiply by 3. Okay, so let us do, that is 6 2s are 12 upon 6 minus 2 upon 6 minus 3 3s are 9 upon 6. Now we have to do minus here. Now 12 minus 2 is 10 and 10 minus 9 is 1. So answer is 1 upon 6. Second question, same way we have to do. So just put up the value, that is x square is minus 2 plus y is 1 square and z is 3 square minus 2 into y is 1 minus 1 z is 3 minus 3 into minus 2. Here y is minus 1. Okay, minus 1 it is there. Now just minus 2 into minus 2 is 4 plus minus 1 into minus 1 1 plus 3 3s are 9 minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Okay, so that is minus 2 minus into minus plus 3 1s are 3 minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. Let us now 4 plus 1 5 5 plus 9 14 14 minus 2 12 12 plus 3 15 15 plus 6 is 21. So the answer is 21. Question number 12. Evaluate each of the following algebraic expression for x equal to 1, y equal to -1, z equal to -2, a equal to -2, b equal to 1, c equal to -2. Now we had given the value of x, y, z and a, b, c. Just put up in this expression and we will find the value of this expression. So let us write down. First one question is ax plus by plus cz. So put up the value of a, that is -2, x is 1 plus b is 1, y is -1 plus c is -2 and z is 2. It is equal to -2 into 1 -2 -1 into 1 is -1 -2 into 2 -4 -4 plus -4. It is equal to minus plus, that is -2 -3 and -3 -4, that is -7. Now second one, ax square plus by square minus cz square, that is equal to a is -2, x square means 1 square plus b is 1 and y is -1 whole square minus c is -2 and z is 2. So equal to -2, here it is square. So -2 as it is 1 plus 1 -1 into -1 is 1 minus -2, 2 2s are 4. It is equal to -2 plus 1 minus plus 4 2s are 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 minus 2 is 7. So answer is 7. Thank you for watching this video.